Here we go. Now we're talking. This is sharp. Oh yeah, those are nice. So these are the Fuel Syndicate. This is the platinum color scheme. This is a simulated B-lock. They're 17 by 9. Get it out here so I can show you what it's like. But these are 17 by 9 wheel with a 5 by 5 bolt pattern for the Jeep. That's what they look like right there. So we'll get them up against the Jeep and see what it looks like. Oh yeah, that looks sharp. So that's kind of what it's gonna look like right there on the Jeep. You can kind of see what it is. I just got it sitting on a box right now, but that's what the wheel is gonna look like. Of course, the tires are gonna get swapped out too, but I think that's gonna look really, really sharp. That platinum gray and polished to look. Not really polished, it's a silver and a dark. You can kind of see here. This is dark anthracite kind of color, and this is kind of like a light silver or polished with a clear on it. But that's gonna look sharp. So now let's check out the tires. There they are. Those are the ones that I've got going on. So they're the Open Country RT Trail 35 1250/17s. This is an E-rated tire. Really nice aggressive sidewall, an all-terrain kind of tread, kind of like the Trail Grappler, the Nitto Grapplers. So we'll get these put on. Did look at another tire. This is the Goodyear Terrain MT that comes standard on the full-size Bronco Sasquatch packages. The all-terrain tread of this was really what I was looking at. The weight on this tire was only 52 pounds, so it was a super light tire on a 315/70/17. However, got really bad reviews and people were really bashing this tire, so I didn't really want to go with that. So that's one reason why I chose the Toyos over the Goodyears. All right, so there she is. This is how it looks after the wheel install. Really like these wheels and how it turned out. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. I do have the trailer on the back because I'm going to pick up something after work today. But it does sit really level. As you can see here, there's no weight on that trailer right now. So I really like the way these look. So these are the Fuel Syndicate Platinum wheels is what they call them. They are 17 by 9 with a +1 offset. So you can see it does have a tiny bit of poke on there. Really like the way these turned out. These tires here are the Toyo RT Trail. It's the new tread tire. Got really good ratings from people who have had them. I was highly surprised whenever I got it on the road and how quiet they were and how good they look on the sidewall. This is a really light setup. So these tires here are about 64 pounds. The wheels themselves are 34 pounds. So I am well under the 100-pound mark that I want it to be per corner with everything installed. So I really like the way this turned out. Looks sharp, rides well, super comfortable ride. I got them aired up to about 40 PSI right now. I'm gonna see how that works and see how they end up wearing. But I really like how it's looking with everything so far. More mods to come. Of course, I got some notification from UPS that mods have been delivered, so I'll add that on as well. But that's how it's sitting right now, guys. Really like how the Mojave is starting to look.